my July 2019 Ipsy bag and plus. Okay, doll faces, this is my Ipsy for July, my Glam Bag Plus, and my regular Glam Bag. And the Glam Bag Plus, if you're not familiar, is $26.81 after tax, and the Glam Bag is $10.73 a month after tax. But yep, I am super excited to see what I got, even though I know my spoilers, but it's always interesting to open it up and be surprised in person. That's my motto, at least. Okay, so this is the Glam Bag for July. I was kind of disappointed because I thought that it was going to be like 4th of July, maybe red, white, and blue or something, Independence. But I also know that, you know, they also ship to Canada too, but I still thought that it would be something a little more festive instead of just the regular jungle vibes I'm getting from this bag. Okay guys, so this is what all I got in my Glam Bag. I did skip June, and I honestly think I may skip August because I'm not very impressed with what I've got in my Glam Bag for July. I've got the, hold on, let me focus for you guys. I got the Twisted Sister. I got the What's the Tea. I got this, Making Moves. I got my Smashbox. I always like Smashbox though. And then I got the Brow Fix. And then here is the regular card. So yeah, guys, this is what I got for my bag in July. Did you all like your July bag? Let me know. I mean, at least the, hold on, let me focus. At least What's the Tea color is kind of cute. It's kind of pretty. But yeah, I'm still not feeling it. I am not really feeling July's bag, you all. And here is my Making Moves blush. I mean, it's pretty. Don't get me wrong, it is pretty. Yeah, guys, I'm just not feeling it. Oh my goodness. I'd rather take $10 and go get something else. Alright, guys, my Glam Bag Plus. You already know. I don't even feel like all the products are in here. Now, this is what I got. I'm honestly just not feeling this. I mean, this glow mist is pretty cute. Which I haven't tried it, but you know, I think I like this. We shall see. Oh, there is a palette. It's a huge palette, guys. It's pretty huge. How big a palette is. And what else did I get? This. I didn't get this. And then this. So yeah, let's open them up and see what's inside. That is what's inside the box. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and set everything out and let you guys look at it. I'm so disappointed. Like, I am seriously going to cancel my August. I'm just not very happy with my Ipsy. I mean, it's kind of cute. It is cute colors, I'll give it that. But, and here is my glow. And you already seen this. You already seen that. And then I got this. So yeah, pretty much that is everything I got for like 38 bucks. Is it a good deal? I don't know. Tell me what you think. More about the products. More about the bag. From pool parties to weekend getaways, pack this palm tree covered pouch for all your adventures. Now on the bag, I got jungle vibes, but you know, I just was not feeling this vibe. I don't feel like this a pretty bag at all, but that's my opinion. I've got a lot of prettier bags from Ipsy. I did go ahead and try my blush. I do love my blush. After all, it's Phase Zero Makeup Blusher in Making Moves. It does go on smooth and soft, and I do love the shimmer that it has. This is a travel-friendly blush compact, so it does have a mirror, which I absolutely love the mirror, and it does go a long way like it says. It's silky smooth texture, blends out evenly, and that is true, and it is very shimmery, so I give this a thumbs up. I do like this product after all. The Brow Fix Tint and Shaper in Dark Brunette is a perfect match for me. I do like this product, and I do recommend using this product. It's got many fibers that latch onto every hair to build upon and enhance your natural brow shape. So I did like this brow product. I love getting brow products in my Ipsy, and I can't say anything bad about this actual product. I do wish it was a little bit bigger. With it being July and the heat so bad, I do use a lot of hair products, so I am going to try this out. I have not tried it out yet to let you know, but I will keep you posted in a future video. I do like the fact while I'm reading it now, it has coconut, almond, and avocado oils in it, and it curls your natural hair. I do have naturally curly hair, so I might end up actually liking this product as well. This is the only product I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag that gave me 4th of July vibes. It's What's the Tea, and I like eyeshadow, I really do, but when I get these little tiny eyeshadows, I end up just tossing them to the side and forgetting I even have them. So I've got to try this one out, and comment below if you do the same thing. Like if you maybe just like try it one time and then forget you have it because it's just a small little pack. I am so bad for that. I love Smashbox Cosmetics. I am a big fan of Smashbox Cosmetics. And the liquid lipstick in Babe Alert is my shade. I do like this. I tossed it in my purse. I do little touch-ups here and there with it so far. But I do like this. And it's a pretty color. It's really flattering. And I love the color. So if you got this one, comment below. Let me know so we can be Smashbox twinsies. Now it's time to see what I got in my Glam Bag Plus, and you know you already get 5 full-size products based on your beauty profile. I did redo my profile recently, so I didn't really see much of a difference in my products I've been getting, because I've been getting like, it seems like in every box, the same thing. I do like getting mascaras in my Ipsy. I do get a lot of mascaras, lucky me, but I have not tried this one out, so I can't give you an honest review. Lately, though, in my previous Ipsy bags and Plus, I have got mascaras, and I've liked the product. I just haven't liked the wands that came with the product. I've had to use, like, I'm Addicted to Better Than Sex mascara, and I use that wand into my Ipsy mascara bottles I've been getting, and it works a lot better. So maybe it's just my wands I'm not liking or something. I don't know. Comment below. Let me know if you're going through the same thing. We can relate and tell me what's going on. When I get my Ipsy Plus, I look forward to the compact palettes. I look forward to the shadow palettes, the blush, the highlighter palettes. I look forward to the palettes because if I'm paying $26 a month, well, $26.81 a month, I want a decent sized product. And I feel like this, I was disappointed in this compact size. I was really disappointed. Now, the shades was cute. I did like the shades, but I was just disappointed in how they presented the little tiny box to me. I wanted the big palette like I got the Moods palette last month. I love that palette. I didn't get last month's. It was the month before June. So that was the last time because I canceled June. Tone Up Primer Essential Glue. I do like using this under my makeup as a primer, and it does a pretty good job. I do like it. I am still experimenting with it if I love it, so I don't know yet. Do have a mini fridge in my bathroom just for makeup products. I did slide this into my mini fridge, and let me tell you, girlfriend, let me tell you the trick to this summer heat. It's July, we're having a heat wave. This right here, keep it in your refrigerator before you go out. You slide it into your purse, and oh my goodness, you feel so refreshed. Like I'll spray it on my legs, my arm, underneath my neck, even kind of a little bit behind my ears. I am telling you, I do like this product, and I'm very happy I got this product in my Plus this month. I did like the bottle that this came in, this little jar, and I put it on my vanity, and I haven't opened it since. I just like the way it looks on my vanity. Maybe I should try it out and let you guys know how I actually like the product. But it looks perfect on a vanity. I liked some of my products. I didn't like some of them that much, but I don't feel like I got my money's worth. That's my problem. As I mentioned before, I did skip June for both the plus and the bag, and after getting this month's Ipsy, I decided to skip August as well for both, and I'm going to take my $40 that I would have saved from my Ipsy for August, and I'm going to do a little makeup shopping haul and see what I come up with for 40 bucks. But I'm hoping Ipsy is just going through a little funk. Maybe it's just me just getting so much Ipsy stuff that I'm just like not thrilled no more. I don't know what's going on, but I wasn't excited about my Ipsy when I was opening it and seeing my products, because normally I'll get products and I'm super excited. I'm like, oh my goodness, I love my Ipsy, I love my Ipsy. This month I didn't feel that. And the previous months I hadn't felt that for a while. So we're going to try to fix this. We're going to see if it's me or if it's Ipsy. Comment below if you're feeling the same exact way I'm feeling, and we're going to figure something out, girls. We're going to figure something out.